So tell me, today the demand, of course, from you is primarily that you want an NIA investigation. The Chief Minister is making it very clear that the SIT is doing a good job. The BJP wanted the SIT probe. Now you're doing politics. What would you like to say?
First of all, we are not doubting the intention or credibility of the SIT. But the people behind this entire conspiracy, they needs to be exposed. And it not only demand of Bharatiya Janata Party that the matter should be investigated by NIA or CBI, it's the demand made by crores and crores of devotees of Dharmasthala Manjunatheshwara temple. Deepak, one thing one needs to understand, Dharmasthala, it's not an ordinary temple. Crores and crores of devotees, they follow this temple very religiously. And this has been there from so many decades, not from today or yesterday. Unfortunately, state government, before ordering the matter to the SIT, they should have made some preliminary inquiry about those individuals, the integrity of those people. But without doing any of this, state government ordering for SIT investigation, and it's going on and on and on and on. And the SIT is digging entire Dharmasthala area, Ujre. I mean, the devotees are truly hurt by the attitude of the state government. The state government, which should have been very sensitive before taking any decision in this regard, without checking the credentials of those conspirators or individuals, ordering a SIT, it's really very unfortunate. And even today, state government has failed against the conspirators who spread false propaganda from last 1 month, because of which the sentiments of all the devotees has been hurt. Hence, we are demanding that all the conspirators should be exposed. The so-called leftist organization, as claimed by none other than Dinesh Kundrao, district in charge minister of Dakshina Kannada, he himself has claimed there is too much of pressure on the state government by the leftist organization. And Deputy Chief Minister himself has claimed that there is a big conspiracy in this Dharmasthala episode. Then it's quite natural that people of the state have lost confidence in the state government. And the matter, if the truth has to come out, the matter has to be investigated by CBI or by NIA, because we have been hearing that there are a lot of funding from abroad also. All the Supreme Court advocates, senior advocates was hired. So it's not just an ordinary case, it's a very sensitive matter, it's a very serious case. Hence we are demanding state government that without any further delay, they should refer this matter for NIA or CBI investigation.
So the Chief Minister says the Dharmasthala Dharmadhikari or anybody from the administration, they've all welcomed the SIT probe because they want right now a clean sheet, because there's a doubt that's hanging in the minds of people that will be cleared through this SIT probe.
See, as far as we are concerned, I'm not speaking today as the president of the Bharatiya Janata Party or Bharatiya Janata Party worker, as a Bhakt, as a devotee of Dharmasthala temple, as a devotee of Dharmasthala Manjunatheshwara Annappa Swami. Clean sheet is one part. But not only clean sheet, all the conspirators, they have to be exposed. Because they should, today it's Dharmasthala, tomorrow it will be Chamundeshwari temple. It cannot go on and on. They can't hurt the sentiments of Hindus, the Bhakts of this Dharmasthala. So our demand is very clear. Apart from the clean sheet, everybody, all the forces behind this entire tragedy, they need to be exposed. Hence we are demanding by NIA and CBI, the inquiry by NIA or CBI.
Thank you for speaking to NDTV. So that was P.Y. Vijayendra, the party president, saying right now there is a need for an NIA investigation into this. There is possibility for foreign funding, and more importantly, the conspirators behind this entire plot need to be exposed at the earliest, and that is what a central agency can do. With video journalist Govind, this is Deepak Bopana for NDTV from Dharmasthala.